Hello guys, welcome back to the Manor House Kitchen. This is Chef Justin. I'm going to show you how we do our Reuben. First thing we do is throw down our bread, get a little bit of butter right on the flat top. Then we're going to grab our portioned out corned beef. Throw that right on the flat top. Go ahead and grab some sauerkraut. That also goes on the flat top. Knead around a little bit. We're going to throw our cheese down. We're going to let that melt pretty good. We'll go ahead and grab our Thousand Island dressing. Each side of the bread. And then we'll take the bread and we'll throw it right into the salamander. You're going to throw your corned beef right on top. Make sure it's bunched up in the middle so it doesn't slide out the back. And then your sauerkraut. Sauerkraut makes the sandwich that much better. And then obviously you can get turkey or corned beef. And then we just slice it down the middle. And then we always serve the meat out, so when it gets presented to you guys, you see that, and it makes you even more hungry. And that's how you make the Reuben here at Perry Park Country Club. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time in the Manor House Kitchen.